Hello everyone, thanks for stopping back to the channel today. Thought I would do a little review on this Coocheer 120 watt solar panel, as well as the Enginstar 300 watt portable power bank. Having had this on vacation up at our cottage, which is off-grid, I am very impressed. These two teamed together very well. I used this at the island with the cottage, and I was very impressed. I'll put a little clip here shortly of the review up there and it in action. But I thought I would give some final tips on using it for several weeks now. So the solar panel works great. One thing that I think could be a little bit better built are the stands. They are made of a material, a stiff material. It does work. You just have to kind of play with them a little bit. And when the sun does move throughout the day, it is a little bit of a challenge if you have some uneven ground. So it's one of the things that I was struggling with a little bit up at the cabin, just with it being rocky ground. There are various cables that it does come with, depending on what your needs are. For example, you can charge a 12-volt battery using the supplied cable. There's also several ports you can plug right into right off the solar panel. USB-C. There's a fast charge 5-volt 9-watt USB, and then there's USB 5-volt 3-amp. So a couple of ports there. I use the other supplied cable to charge my Enginstar, and this is going to be very hard to see because it is sunny out. Right now we're getting, I don't know if you can see it on there, but we're getting it 46.2 watts. So that was another thing I did notice, is this is a 120 watt panel. Full sun I was getting 60 watts tops. I never got anything close to the 120 watts or even 100 watts. So just something to note. As you can see right now, we're getting 46.2. This battery is pretty much dead. It was down to nothing. Does need charged. So good day to charge the battery. But again, this panel has worked well. If you're looking for a portable panel on a budget, definitely something to look at and consider. So this is the Coocheer 120 watt. This is the Enginstar 300 watt portable power station. I was using this at the cottage at night time. I was running a fan by my bed. For a couple days I was using a plug-in fan. So I was using the AC outlets. And then I found that was draining down pretty quick. So I switched to a USB fan that I had taken up. And that ran really well too, either way. So it does come with a 12-volt adapter, cigarette lighter. There's some other adapters here, 12-volt 8-amp or 24, 3-amp. Just depends what you need. There's also a Type C. You can see the 18 watts there is max on that. So I really like this. It does what I need it to do. It's not beefy enough to do much other than, you know, this is kind of geared toward someone that needs a CPAP at night, you know, very low total wattage. With 300 watts, you're not going to do very much, but you will run a fan or something small like that, which is exactly what I needed. So it's worked out really well, like I said. If you're in the market for a portable solar panel and power station, the Coocheer and Enginstar teamed up pretty well. I cannot really complain. Alright, I'll put in that video from the cottage right here. And hope everybody's doing great, like I said. And any questions, comment below. We'll see you on the next one. This was the solar panel setup that I did this year. It's worked really well. This is the Coocheer 120 watt, 4 panels. It worked out really well. You do have to adjust it to where the sun is, obviously. But using it in an off-grid situation, like out here on the island, it has worked really well charging our power station. Which is the Enginstar 400 watt. Right now it's fully charged, but it has worked well. I'll do a full review on another video of the two put together. But this is the best scenario that I've come up with for solar at the moment on a budget. So 4 panels directly hooked up, worked out good.